The title of this study, Effect of Extracorporeal Shockwave Therapy on Knee Alignment and Flexibility in Individuals with Genubarum, and presenter is Dong-Yun Kim. Genubarum or bone leg knees causes outward knee alignment and is linked to musculoskeletal problems. Pathophysiology of Genubarum. Uneven loading and force imbalance in the knee joint. Lateral deviation and tibia torsion. Abnormal tension and compression, joint damage, inflammation, deformity of tibia and femur. Muscular imbalance. Purpose. This study investigated how ESWT and stretching affect Q angle and intercondylar distance in adults with Genubarum, and compared the results between the two groups after intervention. This study aimed to verify how ESWT improved Genubarum compared to stretching and to provide therapeutic evidence for clinical use. This is hypothesis. Participants. This study were conducted with individuals diagnosed with Genubarum. All participants received a detailed explanation of the study's purpose and procedure before participation and voluntarily agreed to take part in experiment. A total of 16 participants were divided into two groups, 30 in the ESWT group and 30 in the stretching group. All participants were informed of the procedure and changes were measured across the intervention period. This is measurement tools, X-ray radiographic equipment, and digital calipers. Here is the experimental procedure. Experimental group. Control group. Measurement variables. The data were analyzed as follows. 60 participants were divided into ESWT and stretching groups. Both groups showed similar baseline characteristics as shown in the table below. Descriptive statistics showed a gradual increase in Q angle over time in the both groups after 2 and 4 weeks of intervention. Q angle increased significantly at 2 and 4 weeks, with overall significant changes during the intervention period. Intercondylar distance gradually decreased over time in the both groups. Since sphericity was violated, the greenhouse gaseous correction was applied, showing significant difference before and after intervention, and throughout the intervention period. Significant reduction in intercondylar distance were found between pre and week 2 and between week 2 and week 4, with overall significant across the intervention period. This study compared the effects of ESWT and stretching on knee alignment and adults with Genubarum. Both groups showed improvement in knee alignment after 4 weeks, with the ESWT group showing a significantly greater increase in Q angle than the stretching group. Both groups showed significant improvement in knee alignment, with the ESWT group showing greater Q angle changes. This supports previous finding that radial ESWT enhances alignment by relaxing deep muscles and soft tissues. Reference. Thank you for your attention.